Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add projects to an expense claim in Xero, so let's get started. Xero Projects allows you to accurately track staff expenses against specific jobs, which is crucial for client billing and project profitability. To begin, you first need to make sure the projects feature is enabled in your Xero organization, which is done through the Projects section found in the main menu bar. Next, when a staff member is submitting an expense claim, they need to navigate to the Business menu and select Expense Claims, then start a new claim and enter the details for the expense. The key step here is allocating the expense. Once the amount and account code are entered, the claimant must look for the Assign to Project field within the expense line item. This field will only appear if the project module is active. From the drop-down menu, the user must select the relevant client and then choose the specific project name associated with that expense. They can also select whether the expense is billable or not, which determines if it will be included on the client's invoice. Once the project and billable status are assigned, the claim is submitted for approval, and upon final posting, the expense cost will instantly be allocated to that project's financial tracking, allowing you to monitor profitability accurately. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.